for me, money out for me. I don't want broke again. No face for the rent. Focus on the dollars, me no beg no friend. One rich so till I can't comprehend. Yeah, no one live big life, my God, no for decline.
Hello, what's goody? It's your girl 𝐵𝐻 back at it again with another hair video. The hair in today's video was sent from Alipop. The hair came in this little bag. There's also this card that talks about a $10 cash reward that you get if you give a 5-star review with a picture and feedback. The hair also came with this elastic band. I actually love this elastic band because it has a little Velcro thingy. It also came with some wig caps and some eyelashes. And it also came with an additional elastic band. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the bag. There's the curl pattern and there's the lace. So on the site it says Swiss lace, but I really feel like this is HD because it's so thin and nice. Like this lace it's perfect, like literally perfect. But anyways, let's just jump right into the install. I'm just tying back the hair so it's easier for me to do my thing. Once again, I'm not going to be talking too much. I just want to explain that when I do my installs, I do use 3 layers of glue and I let it air dry. Lately, I've been just letting it air dry instead of using the blow dryer. So I've also started using this 𝐼𝐵N spray. I mean, the hold is really strong compared to 𝐷𝐀𝐀𝐓'𝐒, but it smells really bad. Like, I do not like the smell of this product, but it works so good, so I don't know what to do. It just really stinks. No matter what I do, I always have problems doing the baby hairs. Like, I always struggle with that part. No matter how many times I do installs, the baby hairs are always the most difficult part for me. I don't know why. But at the end of the day, it turned out good. So, yeah. Okay, so I just had the idea to do an updo, or to do half up, half down, or whatever you call this. Cause I don't know, it's just giving that right now. Is it giving that to you? Yeah.
It is. I'm literally just going to pull it up and hope that it looks okay. I'm not using no products, not even hot combing it. I'm just going to pull it up and hope that it works. Is that cute? Oh my gosh. I think it's kind of cute. Is it? Like, I don't know if that's cute or not. I feel like I need to just, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and put on my lashes, and I'll be back and we'll see what it's giving. I was gonna do a middle part, but I think I don't know. This looks childish, but I'll be back. So this is the finished look. I decided to leave it in this little half up, half down type of style. Yeah, I like this hair. Mind you, I did dye it jet black. Is there food in my teeth? I did dye it jet black, and I bleached the knots and everything like that. I did pluck it a little bit. Other than the fact that it's kind of thin, I don't really have any complaints. The lace, chef's kiss. The lace is so thin. It's giving HD. I think it's HD lace. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm almost 100% sure. What? I'm not 100% sure, but I think it is HD lace. It's very thin and it's definitely blending into the skin very nicely. Yeah, the only thing is that I wish it was a little bit thicker. Like, if this was giving 250% density or even 200, it would be perfect. But the hair is very nice nonetheless. I like the texture. It's nice. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you want to purchase this hair, the link and everything else will be in the description box. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.